Are you tired of losing leads somewhere in your sales funnel? If you're looking for ways to improve your lead conversion rates and automate your sales process, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you best practices for guiding your leads from initial contact to conversion through funnel using GoHighLevel. So, let's get started. First of all, let's start by outlining the stages of your funnel. You'll want to define clear stages like new lead, engaged, and converted. Head over to the Funnels section in GoHighLevel, where you can easily set this up for tracking and keep an eye on each stage of the journey. Next up, automation. One of GoHighLevel's biggest strengths is its workflow. Use these to automate follow-ups by setting triggers based on actions like form submissions or email opens. This keeps your leads moving through the funnel without you having to lift a finger. Now, not every lead is the same, so let's make sure you're focusing on the most engaged ones. Assign scores to leads based on their activity, like how often they interact with your emails or fill out forms. Also, don't forget to use the Contacts tab to filter and segment leads based on behavior or interests. This way, your follow-ups are more personalized, and you can target the right audience with the right message. Staying connected in real time is key. Use SMS or email responses directly from the Conversations tab to engage with your leads as soon as they take action. Quick responses can make all the difference. Finally, review your funnel performance regularly in the Reporting tab. And there you have it. These are best practices for guiding your leads from initial contact to conversion. Looking to streamline your workflow and improve lead management? Why not try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial? It's the perfect way to get started, and don't forget to book your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales funnel and business processes. Thanks for watching.